camera. Shutter speed I use PIM speed set during this. Ring allows you to set the shutter speed and iOS PIM sensitive on the camera. 2. Shutter release button. The shutter release button is the main control for compressioning image. Number 3. Film advance lever. The film advance lever is used to advance to the film the next frame after image as between capture. Frame counter. The frame counter displays the number of views remaining of the number of frames that has been already taken. 5. Next strap eyelet. The next strap eyelet is small loop of or attached to the camera body where you can attach a next strap. The next strap allow you to carry the camera comfortably around your neck, providing quick access to the camera whenever needed. 6. Hand grip. The hand grip is contour area on the camera body designed to provide a firm and comfortable grip while holding the camera and provide stability and help prevent accidental drops during shooting. 7. Self-timer lever. The self-timer lever is also used to delay a shutter release of a few seconds after presenting it the picture, usually when you want to include yourself in the photograph or need steady shot without manually pressing the shutter. 8. Lens release button. The lens release button is used to detach the lens from the camera body. 9. At shoes contact accessory shoe. The contact accessory shoe is a mount top of camera where you can attach extra accessories like a flash unit, a microphone, or another compatible device. 10. Film rewind crank. The film rewind crank is used to rewind into the film canister of is been fully exposed when changing the film roll. 11. Film rewind knob. Similar to the rewind crank, the film rewind knob is used to rewind the film back is to the canister and can rotate them manually to perform the film rewind function. Films window. The films window display the ISO film sensitive settings of film being used. It helps you remember the film speed and serve a reminder when adjusting the camera setting. 13. Aperture ring. The aperture ring is located on camera lens and control the size of lens. Aperture of opening, adjusting, and aperture ring changes the depth of field, the area that appears sharp in the photo, and amount of the light enters the camera. Distance scale. The distance scale is a measure and scale out the lens to provide indication of distance between the camera and subject and photograph. 15. Focusing ring. The focusing ring is located on camera lens and used to manually adjust the focus of lens. 16. Depth of field preview lever. The field preview lever allows you to preview the depth of field before capturing image. When active is tapped down the lens, selected the aperture, giving you a preview of much of scenes will be in focus. Multiple exposure. The multiple exposure lever enable to capture multiple exposures on a single frame of film. 18. Exposure measurement button. The exposure button, also known as exposure lock button, allows you to lock the camera exposure settings based on the current lighting condition. This is useful when you can want to compose an image without the camera adjusting the exposure automatically. Back of the analog camera. 19. Viewfinder eyepiece. The viewfinder eyepiece is the part of camera through which the photograph look up compose the image. Rewind forks. The rewind forks in mechanics located inside the camera engage with film sprocket to enable the rewinding of film back to film cartridge. Film cartridge chamber is where film cartridge is loaded. The camera is a recessed compartment. The secretly old film cartridge is during shooting process. Battery chamber. The battery chamber is compartment is the camera, the house, the camera battery or batteries. The batteries provide power to various function of camera. Tripod socket. The tripod socket is thread hole located bottom of camera body is all the camera basically mounted of tripod on another camera device. Film guides reel. Our channel of groups the guide the film trip through the camera film transport mechanism. They ensure that film moves smoothly accurately from the film cartridge to take off spool during the advising processing. 25. Film sprocket. The film sprocket is toted wheel gear located inside the camera. Engage with the preportation along the edge of the film strip. 26. Camera back. The camera back is in removable part of camera body provide access to the film compartment. It's typically open. The loading and unloading film can be securely closed to protect the film-like exposure. The camera may be lacking mixing to ensure light tight seal during operation. Film pressure plate. The film pressure plate is flat supplemental plate located inside the camera back. Film rewind button. The film rewind button is usually small button or lever located the camera body to engage the film advanced mechanic and allows from the rewinding of film back into cartridge. Presenting and activating the rewind button enable the film to release from take up or spool rewound manually automatically. 29. Film take-up spool. The film take-up spool is a rotating component inside the camera that winds the exposed film from film cartridge. 30. Film cartridge confirmation without the film cartridge confirmation window is small opening indicator of camera body that's allow photograph to see the cartridge loaded in the camera provides visually confirmation without opening the camera back, helping to prevent accidentally double exposure or shooting without film. The window may have a cover or slider to protect it from light when not is used. Front of the digital camera. Built-in the flash unit is the digital camera body is used to provide additional light when capturing photo in low light condition of filming shadow and brightly in scene. Flash mode button. This flash mode button the user to select different flash mode such as automatic red eye reduction, slow scene, or flash off. Each of move designed to provide specific lighting effect based on the shooting condition. Bracketing button. This bracketing button move where the camera captures series photo with different exposure settings. Impede receive front. This impede sensor on front of the camera that allows to receive signal from remote control device. Mounting mark. This mounting mark is indicate the location where lens should be aligned of mounted securely on the camera body. 6. Buildable microphone. This refer to microphone integrate of the camera body. Lens release button. This lens release button direct the lens of camera to provide quick and easy way to switch lens or clean the lens. Connector core. This refers to the central part of a connector which is used provide electrical connection between the camera and external device. 9. Core for accessories terminal and external this refer to connect that allows to camera connect to external accessories such as flash unit, remote shutter release, or GPS module. It's provide additional functionality and customizely option. Focus mode selector. This switch off button that allow the user select the desired focus mode option may include autofocus, manual focus, or continuous autofocus depending on the camera model. 12. Meter coupling lever. This this lever the camera metering system to communicate with the lens. 13. Mirror. This is crucial component. DSLR camera that reflects the lighting coming through the lens to a optical viewfinder, allowing the photograph to see the scenes in real life. USB connector. This is stabilized for connecting the camera to computer or our device using USB cable. It allows the transferring image and video as well charging the battery. 15. AV connector. This AV connector allows the camera to connect to the TV or another audio video device for playback of photo and video. 16. HDMI mini pin connector. This is similar vision in the HDMI connector that allows the camera to connect directly to HDTV or another HDMI compatible display for high definition playback of photo or videos. 17. Accessories terminal. This indicate for connecting external accessories such as external flash or microphones or remote triggers. 18. Connect from external microphone. This is a specific for connecting external microphone of better audio quality during video recording when recording noisy environment. Back of the digital camera. Back of the digital camera. Viewfinder. IMP. This is where you look through of compose your shot. 2. Rubber cap. Detachable rubber piece that provide comfort and block surrounding light while use the viewfinder. 3. Delete button used to delete underweight photos files. Playback button. Allows you review and playback previously captured photo or video. 5. Monitor the LCD screen to display the live view and subject or playback or image and video. 6. Menu button. Access the camera menu settings, various configuration option. 7. Help protect button. Provide assistance and guidance on to use different camera function. 8. Thumbnail playback button. Enable quick access to view multiple image thumbnail from. 9. Playback zoom in button. Allows you to zoom in specific area of button during play for closer inspection. 10. Day of Peter. Adjustment control. Adjust the focus on the viewfinder to match your IC for improved clarity. 11. Highlight button. This button is lock exposure and or focus on a specific subject. 12. Output audio for video or playback or recorded audio. Main command DL. Use the adjust settings such as shutter speed, aperture, negative throat menu option. 14. Live view switch. Tangles between LCD monitor and the viewfinder for composing shot. Movie record. Button in video recording. Multi-selector. Also yung negative throat menu option makes selector. Memory card slot cover. Protect the memory card slot where the memory card is inserted. 18. K button. Confirm selection of applies. Change meet in the menu. 19. Infrared receiver. Receiver signal from remote control for wireless operation. 20. Focus selector. Lock the focus point in place, prevent accidentally change. 21. Memory card access. lamp indicate when the camera access from writing data to memory card. And info displays additional information about current camera settings and shooting parameters.